In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a nice logo for your WordPress site and how to upload it. We're going to go from this boring site name to this beautiful logo. So here we have a site that doesn't have a logo yet, and it's only showing the name of the site, which doesn't look very professional. First, we need to create a logo, and you can either buy a logo on sites like Graphics River, then have somebody customize it for you. You can hire somebody to make a logo for you on sites like Fiverr, or you can use a logo making software like Rapid Logos Pro. You can find a purchase link for this software below the video. So here we are in the dashboard of the Rapid Logos Pro app, and all we need to do is enter a name for the site, give it some tagline. We're gonna go with something like this. And instantly we have a bunch of cool looking logos automatically generated for us. We can scroll to the right to see more options. I think we're just going to use the first one. So we're going to download it by clicking this icon. Now make sure that you're logged in, or else you're not going to see this admin bar on the top. If you're not logged in yet, just go to your site admin area, log in, and then come back. So here we're going to click this customize button. Then we'll go to site identity. We'll click on select logo. We haven't uploaded the logo yet, so we'll switch to this tab, upload files. We'll drag and drop our logo that we just created. Click on select. We'll crop it, making sure not to cut any important part. So let's just drag this and this side, top and bottom. Clicking crop image. Now here's a preview. And if we're happy with how it looks like, we just need to click on publish button to save the changes. And we can close out of this sidebar. So that's how we add a nice looking logo to our site and make it look professional.